Hey, this is Yadie from Thornton Chevrolet going over a brand new feature that was added to some of our 2020 models, and that is the auto stop and start button. Most of our vehicles right now are equipped with auto stop and start. What auto stop and start is the ability to shut your engine off when your vehicle is coming to a complete stop at either a stop sign or a stoplight. Once you release your foot off the brake pedal and onto the gas, your vehicle's engine starts back up again and you have the ability to move. With this feature now added to most of our 2020 models, you have the ability to shut this off. So your vehicle's engine does not shut off during a stoplight or a stop sign when you come to a complete stop. Some of our customers do not like that feature where it automatically kicks off your engine and kicks it back on. With this feature now added, you have the comfortability of having your engine continuously running. If you have any questions, concerns, or if you need anything, please do not hesitate to give me a call, Yadie, here at Thornton Chevrolet at 717-266-8800. Thank you for your time and have a great day.